Today we are going to do a sound comparison between the DIY tube amp I made versus Marantz solid state PM 493, a reliable, well regarded reference. The question is, can you hear the difference? Hi, my name is Rahul Motiar and you are watching Analog Fun. Many of you asked for a sound demo in my previous video. Personally, I don't fully trust the demos because what you're going to hear depends on my mic, YouTube compression, and your speakers. So I decided to do an A/B test instead to give you a relative sense of how these two amplifiers sounds. Here is the setup. The audio source will be identical for both the amps. Both amps will be connected to the same set of speakers. Since the tube amp doesn't have any tone controls, to keep the comparison fair, the tone control of solid state amplifier is set to neutral, in direct mode is set in DAC. That means the only difference you are going to hear is coming from the amplifier itself. Let's begin.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know they tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. If this sounding perfect, that's how I
I like this amplifier more than that one.
Why?
Because that one is not so shiny and this one is shinier and that one is black and this one is wearing so many colors.
This one has so many colors. Which one?
White.
Yeah.
And that don't has glass and that this one has.
Oh.
And that don't no fire comes and this one comes fire.
Fire comes. Okay, but which one sounds better?
This one sounds better.
How come? How do you know that?
Because I just know that.
Okay. Let me know in comments which amp you preferred. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more analog fun.